In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reconcile a credit card in QuickBooks Online. Reconciliation is the process of matching what's in QuickBooks to what appears on your actual credit card statement. Doing this regularly ensures your books are accurate, catches duplicates or missing charges, and keeps your financial reports trustworthy. From your QuickBooks Online dashboard, head to Accounting, then choose Reconcile. This is the dedicated workspace that lines up your records with your statement. If you have multiple accounts, make sure you're in the Reconcile tab, not just viewing the chart of accounts. Next, select your credit card account from the drop-down. Double-check you've picked the exact card you're reconciling. Many companies have multiple cards with similar names, and choosing the wrong one can throw off your numbers. Now, enter the last statement ending balance and the ending date exactly as they appear on your credit card statement. The ending balance should be the total shown on that statement, not the current online balance. The ending date should match the statement's closing date, which defines the period you're reconciling. Accuracy here sets you up for a smooth process. Click Start Reconciling. You'll see a list of transactions in QuickBooks. Your job is to match them to the transactions on your credit card statement. Check off each transaction that appears on your statement, verifying the date and amount. It often helps to sort by date or amount and work line by line so nothing gets skipped. If you notice a charge, credit, interest fee, or payment on the statement that's missing in QuickBooks, add the missing transaction before moving on. Use the same date and amount from the statement and categorize it appropriately so your reports stay clean. If a transaction is in QuickBooks but not on the statement, leave it unchecked. It likely belongs to a future period. Keep an eye on the difference shown at the bottom of the screen. This number should move towards 0 as you check off matches. If it doesn't reach 0.00, look for common issues: a duplicated charge, a transposed amount, a transaction dated outside the statement period, or a payment recorded for the wrong amount. Take a moment to correct any discrepancies rather than forcing the reconcile. Once the difference is 0, click Finish Now to complete the reconciliation. QuickBooks will save a reconciliation report, which you can review or export for your records. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.